Okay guys, this should be the final fairy video. I'm going to make and stick the hair to her head, glue on the wings, and might put something on there to be able to make her hang. After that, at the end of this video, I'll explain why I decided to do this particular figure, besides the fact that a friend of mine wanted one. Okay, that's it for that particular prototype. Yes, she's a prototype. She's the first in a line of figures I plan to make. The next one is going to be articulated at the elbows, knees, hips, and shoulders. And then I'm going to attempt to make a fully articulated action figure after that. I'm hoping to pull this off. I'm not sure how well it'll work with wood. So I am looking to get into plastics. Right now, I am actually starting to think that maybe I'm going to start a toy company. And I want you guys to help me out if you can, if you want to. So, let me know what you think of my stuff and everything else. There's a link below for my Patreon, and there will be a link for my GoFundMe. Thanks.